So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna check out how a cooling pad helps in the thermal performance of a laptop and do they even work. Before that, if you're new to the channel, do really consider subscribing to the channel and also turning on all notifications to get notified whenever I post new content, and like, share and comment on the video. So we're gonna test it in two ways, with cooling pad and without cooling pad. So let's get started. So throughout the test, the CPU and the GPU temperature will be shown in the top left corner of the device, so you guys can check it out. And we have set the graphics to the highest, so let me show you guys. So from the test we can conclude that the CPU temperature is around 78 degrees Celsius and the GPU is around like 67 degrees Celsius. So let's do the same test with a cooling pad. So we are gonna play the same game in the same settings to show you guys how much of a change it could make. So here you can see the CPU is almost like 61 degrees Celsius and the GPU is 54 degrees Celsius, which means the cooling pad is kind of helping with the thermal performance. So overall I think so it has helped with the thermal performance of the device. So if you are someone who uses your device continuously for high intensive tasks, or you're a gamer something, this is a good addition to be invested into, and it helps in the thermal performance of the device. So the highest CPU temperature which we got was like 85 degrees Celsius without the cooling pad, and the GPU was around something like 67 or 70 degrees Celsius. And when it comes to with the cooling pad, the highest we got was like 78 in terms of the CPU temperature, and the GPU was like 54 or almost 60, you could say. So obviously it helps with the thermal performance of the device. So if you are having some thermally throttled device, or if you are someone who uses your device for high intensive gaming and editing, this is a great addition to be included, and it works. That's it guys for this video, and see you guys in another video.